Welcome back, everyone. AI is moving fast, but for us beginners, the cost of these big models is a roadblock. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, they are great, but they aren't cheap. So I went looking for an alternative and I found a free way to use some of Chinese top model which are competing with these top models like Google and Anthropics. I found a hub that gives you access to these models where we can get a free API key and access and use these models for free for sometimes. Whenever you hit the limit, so there are other methods that you can re-access these API keys. So let's get started. Search in your browser for more LLM. After searching that, you can see this first website, more LLM. Open that website. After opening that, you will see the user interface of this website. This is an inference built for coding agents. Let's start. Okay, we will press this get API key and we will access the API key for free. You can use your email to sign up, or you can continue with your Google account. Let's press continue with Google. So we will create our account with Google. So verify, yes, let's verify it. That's it. More sub-agents for your agent. That's it. Faster, cheaper, and better. So it says tab to continue. Let's press tab button. So it will continue introducing our sub-agents. So wrap, that's it. These are the models: GLM 5.2, DeepSeek version 4, and Qwen 3.6. So let's press again the tab button to continue. Are you part of a company? No, I am an individual. Select this one. Where do you want to use MARP? Let's press this API. Welcome to MARP. Make your first API. So here we can move to the this is what we can access for the first time. Okay, here we have the base URL and the API key and also the model that we can select and use. So let's continue. Okay, press tab to continue, or we can view plans. Okay, view plans, and here we will choose our plans 2060 400, but we will select continue without a plan. Select this one, this option. Yeah, loading. So we directly move to the dashboard, and here we have an API key, or we can create a new API key. Here we can just quick start, and here we have side menu bar. We can go through that. Come here to the open source models. As you can see at the top, let's list this and we will come to the open source models. So here the models, let's just come here, and here we can select a model like GLM 5.2, Minimax M3, Minimax M2.7, DeepSeek version 4 Flash, Qwen 3.6. These are the open source models that we can use. So whenever you hit the limit for using these models, so you can create a fresh account and again access limit for this. Okay, as you can see at the billing method to unlock a free usage and full rate limits. So for example, this is GLM 5.2 which is selected, and let's chat with this here. Later we will copy and use the API key also. Let's see. Hello, how can I help you with your programming or general question today? So let's now get the API key. Down you can see use this model via API. So this is the model name. Let's open, for example, open OpenCode or KiloCode or any other AI agent to access these. Okay, to access these, I will open this OpenCode GUI. Okay, desktop application. You can use the CLI tool, or you can use VS Code IDE. Inside that you can install KiloCode client or any other agent. So come here now to the settings and come here to the providers. So here we will, let's first of all disconnect this one, and here we will select this custom provider because more LLM is not listed, I think, here inside the popular provider, but we will select this custom provider to add it. Press this connect button. Here the provider name, which is more LLM, and here just more display name. Here the base URL. So come here to the base URL, and we will copy now the base URL. Just come here. As you can see here, HTTP, okay, this is the base URL until version 1. Copy this and paste it inside base URL. For the API key, let's copy our API key. So come here to the API key. And here, this is our API key. As you can create a new one also. Let's copy this one and paste it here. And for the model ID, let's go back to the open source models and come here. We have selected right now GLM 5.2. So for that, we will copy this model name. This and paste model ID here, and here the display name is GLM 5.2. We can add another model also like this. Okay, for example, here we will select Minimax M3. Look at this is the model ID. Let's copy this model ID and add that, paste model ID and Minimax M3. That's it. Press the submit button. So we have created connection with this. Now simply let's come here and we will select our own GLM 5.2 or Minimax M3. Let's select GLM 5.2. Start hello, and we will chat inside OpenCode now. Let's check the response of GLM 5.2. Yeah, hello, how can I help you today? We can select this Minimax M3 also. What is OpenCode? So let's check the response of Minimax M3 also. Yeah, OpenCode is an open source AI coding agent. So you can start building your projects using their free tier usage. And whenever you hit the limit, you can simply just go and create a new account and re-access these models. Come here to the usage. Here you can see all the usage. Last 30 days. Let's refresh it. API keys, billing, router, past API. So this is all about this more LLM, so that we can access these open source models for free tier usage. So it was all about today. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.